My name is CA Gautam Sehgal. I'm a practicing chartered accountant and I have a team size of about 30 people.
Okay, so before this workshop, what was not using AI costing you, like time wasted, opportunity missed, or that feeling of falling behind? And honestly, did you feel too non-technical for this?
So before this workshop, I was just using ChatGPT for any query that came to my mind or any question somebody asked me, and I just needed an immediate response to the same. So I would just use ChatGPT to vet my thoughts and then be able to give an answer to my client. And Claude I was using for limited purposes of drafting replies to various questions. That's about it. And that's the only exposure that I had.
So now we are in the final hour of a workshop. So can you tell me one thing that you have built on your own hands during the workshop that you couldn't have done before you have attended the workshop?
In fact, I've done two things. So there is this form AIS that we have downloaded for all our clients, which we refer to before preparing their computation of income for a particular year. So clients having done transactions in shares and mutual funds, so that AIS goes into multiple pages, and it is not a sheet that can be converted to PDF or Excel and information can be extracted out of it. Team used to take a lot of time in compiling information from that AIS. So I have been able to generate a custom GPT wherein we just need to upload the form AIS, and within a couple of minutes the capital gain sheet regarding purchase and sale of shares is automatically extracted in an Excel sheet. So it saves a lot of time.
Amazing. So what's the first thing you're planning to implement on a Monday morning when you go back to your...
So one is this sheet, this custom GPT, which I'll hand over to my team to start using immediately. And apart from that, so before my team uploads the income details in the software, I have to prepare a hand draft wherein all the sources of income are compiled with whatever information needed. So I was just working on generating a custom GPT tool which can automatically prepare that hand draft based on the information shared on the basis of questions that it asks. And so for going forward from Monday morning, I will not have to prepare that hand draft manually. For any client, I'll just upload the information and answer the questions which the custom people ask me, and it'll automatically prepare that draft, which I'll hand over to my team for necessary action.
Yeah, amazing. So you would have watched any YouTube video for free, and there are so many YouTube videos or webinars or other workshops that are available around AI. So what made this one workshop different for you, and something Ritesh said or showed that no other video or webinar could have done that for you?
So those webinars, even if they're paid or even if they're free webinars on YouTube, so they are a standard thing. They're just telling you some things, but then once you start trying to do those things, then a lot of questions come into mind, a lot of issues come up which need to be sorted out. So you need, just watching those videos is not enough. You need hand holding to get to the final result. These 2 days have been great because there was hand holding from Ritesh, and only because of hand holding I got confidence to build these two tools. I'm confident that I'll be able to automate whatever processes we have in our office. We'll be able to automate them.
Okay, so finally, please look straight into the camera to the owner who is watching you and thinking that the workshop is too technical or too expensive or not relevant to their industry. What's your suggestion for them for joining the next batch?
Well, it's a must for business owners, and it is not expensive at all. So the money that you will spend, you'll be able to get a return of that money right now in the 2 days of the workshop itself. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
That was wonderful.
Yeah, thank you.